as promised, I'll be making a video with me solving all my Rubik's Cubes. Basically, I'll be putting a link anywhere, probably the entire thing. So time me and go. Done! Yay! Okay, next cube, 2 by 2. There you go. Next, 3 by 3. Okay, time me and go. Sorry, that's right. And for anybody who wants to learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube, I will be making a tutorial, so keep checking back in case I put a link down, and I will put it over where my hands are now, so keep checking back to see if I put a link up. Don't know if you can actually hear what I'm saying because I'm a bit further away from the mic than before, and this is quite noisy. Bada 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 bang. So I've got a TV going as well. Done! Okay, the next cube I'm going to be solving is the 4 by 4, which I'm going to put a link for that one, because I'm still ruining with it, so